Welcome to PropVentory, your portable property diary, built to simplify the way you manage, filter, and share property details. Let's get started. Once you open the app, you will land on the login page. Simply enter your mobile number here. You will be sending a verification message on WhatsApp for confirmation. If you are new to PropVentory, tap on Sign Up. Enter your name and mobile number and follow the same verification steps. After signing up, you will be taken to the Profile tab. Your mobile number will already be filled in. Just enter your name and your RERA number if you have one. Once you scroll down, you will see the template message preview. This message includes details such as property name, address, area, and type. It will automatically take the values when you save the property. You can edit this template in two ways. One, right here in the profile section. It will save your changes for all future use. And two, while sharing it with a client, you can customize it for each of them of your choice. Now let's move on Create tab. This is where you will add new properties. You will see a map with two views, the default map and the satellite map. Tap the navigation icon at the bottom right to jump to your current location. Tap anywhere on the map where your property is located. A form will appear at the bottom. Slide up to expand and fill in the details. Once done, hit Save. While entering the area, choose your preferred unit like square feet or square meters. The app can auto-convert units or you can manually enter values. Next, you will see some pre-filled specifications. Just fill in the values. You can also add more fields as needed. Also, you can add an associated contact where you can fill in the details of a person to whom this property is associated and who is interested in it. You can pick from your contact list or add someone new. It will auto-save to your phone. You can add as many contacts as needed. Upload your property documents in JPG, PDF or other formats. Want to delete one? Long press the document and a red cross will appear. Tap it to remove. Let's move to the Filter tab, your go-to quickly finding saved properties. Tap the Filter button and drag up the sheet. Now fill in the fields, select type, subtype and area range. Don't worry if your properties are saved in different units. The app will automatically convert them into the unit you choose for filtering. Hit Apply Filter to view matching results. Additionally, you will find a search bar at the top where you can search any location on your map. Along with that, there is Hamburger Menu that displays all your listed properties when tapped. You will see a map on the left and on the right, details listed for each of the properties, such as name, type, and location. When you tap on the map, it will take you to that particular location. While tapping on the arrow button on the right side, it will show you detailed information about that property, such as specifications, associated contacts, documents, and message template. You can make last-minute edits to the message. Then share it directly via WhatsApp with your client. And that's it! With PropVentory, your property management is smart, secure, and seamless.